Welcome back for Speaking English for every single day. In my video, in my 83 videos since I started studying speaking English in front of camera, I record myself, I shadowing, I count twisters, I count twisters, I write down my thought, I underline the word that unfamiliar with me, and then boom! Maybe 1 week later, my English would be exploited, something that unfamiliar with me and sound more natural, so native. I wish. Okay, so that's my wish. And today, guys, my friend, I wanna say my thought to you, and also uh the really nice weather for today. And number one, I prefer to talk about the readers. So, since to last week, since to last week, the weather have been unusual for Jakarta, and uh, because it's been two week, the weather is same, always rain, and it's a little bit annoying for most of people when they are going to work or they are coming back to their place because they will most of people will deal with rains, and sometimes most of people don't bring their safe things. So for instance, umbrella, raincoat. Instead they are only use their jacket, their hat. Yeah. So how about you guys? When you already know that the weather unusual, and have you just bring your jacket or your hat when you go outside or you go to your work? So that's the most important for us. If we already know something happened as an unusual, so that's the moment we prepare ourselves. Okay, number two. So you look at the building right my back. The color is white, the dry lamp, and also there is something creeping straight. It's like a safe things, saver. And that building actually same with the building I live in here. It's, so that's the cost room. That's the costume. And I also forget to ask the price of the room because directly I get onto the Zoom. And when I take a look from outside, the room is pretty good, clean, and also there are cleaning service that take care to the floor. Keep uh they keep clean the floor, and also they sweep the floor. So that's make people right there comfortable, convenient with with the 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 cost. And number three, my daily routines. So this is the very most of time I tell you about my daily routines. One of my daily routine is very remarkable for you is talking in front of camera. Talking in front of camera actually is very essential for me because If I forgot to make a video in front of camera, I will be miss one opportunity to grow up. So that's why when I in a tough moment, when I in a tough moment and I have a little time, I always put I always put even with a bit time to practice in English. Unless I get sick, had a ill, so that's it's sad for that. But if I getting lazy, so that's the thing that attack me. Something just attack me. Yeah, that's my opinion, guys. So that's all my opinion, guys. Thank you for watching.